Alright, welcome to my channel. This evening I'm going to be reviewing a valet tray. This is something I purchased from Piloti. I'm going to be doing an unboxing here. I've never had a valet tray before, and the concept intrigued me. It seems like a good way to organize your keys to your various vehicles. So let's take a look here, see what we got. So it has this little initial box, and then it's got a secondary box I see here. Looks like it's got a little tab that I pull on. It seems magnetic, actually. It's a magnetic tab. It's quite a nice box, actually. So this is the first time opening it. Let's see what we have here. All right, there's the empty box, and this looks fairly straightforward. And there it is. It's looks like it's a black with kind of a tan color, or kind of a reddish tan, reddish brown color. So that's it. It looks like it's held together, each corner with little rivets. Has red stitching. It looked redder actually in the picture on their website than it actually does here. I mean, it kind of looks more like a darker brown, but still very nice nonetheless. So let's try it out. I'm going to try it out with some keys here. It's a Boss 302 Laguna Seca key. That's the black key. And we got the Boss 302 red key here. It seems to be holding them quite nicely. 65 fastback. I'll put that in the tray here. And 66 GT350 Hertz. So here we have it lined up in a tray here. So essentially it's just a way to organize your keys, keep them all in one place. So you choose to drive a specific car, you're not going to be hunting around for your keys unless you're one that keeps them on a keychain, and your pocket could get pretty extremely heavy with a keychain. So it looks like a pretty good thing to have. I bought it basically at half price, $37 and change. Normally they're $75, but this was on sale, so I couldn't resist, and I figured I would jump at the opportunity. And it's got a nice leather smell to it as well. And this is it. I could recommend it. I'm very pleased with its overall presentation. It's all leather. It has the Piloti logo in it, both underneath, if you can see here. And also it's got the Piloti logo etched into the tray. So yeah, it's called a valet tray, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it for all my keys to the cars that I like to drive. So I could recommend it. Take a look at the Piloti website. I don't get any kind of payment for this, or no endorsement fees. I just happen to like the Piloti products and their shoes, and came across this tray, and I thought it'd be a good idea to organize my keys rather than have them scattered around the house. And enjoy if you choose to buy one. Take care. Bye for now.